Quarter 66, when ready descend, flight level 210.
Qantas 100, contact Melbourne Centre now, 125.0.
125.0, Qantas 100.
Qantas 66, hit the information, Foxtrot now, current.
Qantas 66, copy, we'll listen to it.
Qantas 66, contact Sydney approach, 124.4, good morning.
124.4, Qantas 66, good morning.
Qantas 108, delay will be required. Expect to cross Marlin this stage at time 20. Speed reductions are approved.
Requirement cross Marlin, time 20, Qantas 108.
Qantas 108, you've moved forward slightly. Expect to cross Marlin now, time 18.
Cross Marlin, time 18, Qantas 108.
Sydney Control, Air Canada 3133, we're getting a continuous drop. Request flight level 280.
Air Canada 3133, descend, flight level 280.
Flight level 280, Air Canada 3133. Sydney Control, Air Canada 3133, heavy, level flight level 280, smooth below flight level 288.
Air Canada 3133, thanks, and when ready continue to send flight level 210.
Our discretion, flight level 210, Air Canada 3133.
Qantas 108, your sequence time at Marlin has pushed back slightly to 20 again. Hopefully there'll be no change from that. I'll let you know if there is, and expect vectors approaching shark if required for track lengthening.
Qantas 108, Marlin 20.
Qantas 118, delay is required. Reduce speed now and descend at 250 knots. Expect vectors approaching shark.
Everything else on the same, on the ship, Sydney Control, Air Canada 3133. Do you have a crossing time for Marlin or Shark for us?
Air Canada 3133, Brisbane Centre. Expect to cross Marlin at time 13.
So anticipate crossing Marlin, 2113, Air Canada 3133, roger.
Air Canada 3133, that is correct. Air Canada 3133, reduce speed to 270 knots.
Reducing 270 knots, Brisbane Control, Air Canada 3133.
Qantas 108, advise your current speed.
Qantas 108, 260 knots.
Qantas 108.
Qantas 108, leaving flight level 340.
Qantas 108. Air Canadian 3133, contact Sydney approach now, 124.4, good day.
Sydney approach 124.4, good morning, Air Canada, Canadian 3133. It's sure nice to hear that again.
Qantas 108, continue descent 10,000, QNH 1020.
10,000 on 1020, Qantas 108.
Qantas 108, turn right, heading 300, vectoring for Marlin.
Heading 300, Qantas 108.
Qantas 118, turn left heading 280.
Left heading 280, Qantas 118.
Qantas 108, position bearing 100 Marlin at 30 miles, track direct to Marlin to resume the Marlin 3 arrival and resume our navigation.
Direct Marlin 3 arrival.
Qantas 108, additionally requirement cross Marlin at 250 knots.
Cross Marlin 250 knots, Qantas 108.
Qantas 118, turn further left heading 250.
Left heading 250, Qantas 118.
Qantas 40, delay will be required, slow now to minimum speed on the cruise and 250 knots on descent. Qantas 118, your position bearing 070 Marlin at 32 miles, track direct to Marlin to resume the Marlin 3 arrival at 250 knots, resume our navigation.
Direct to Marlin for Marlin 2, flight level 250, Qantas 118.
Qantas 108, confirm if you want us Marlin at 20.
Qantas 108, just your present speed, 250 knots is fine, thanks.
Thank you.
Qantas 40 for sequencing, make one right-hand orbit at Shark, descent in the orbit approved.